Okay, we got a rainy day here. A little repair thing that I haven't seen online yet. This is a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and it has the leatherette seats, so not the real leather or the fake leather with the cloth inside them. What happened was my lumbar support broke, so I use it all the way adjusted to full pushing out, and I adjusted my seat, and I heard a pop. And then no lumbar support. So I just kind of came through here to see if I could fix it. And here's what I found. Okay, so we take a look at the back of the seat here. I took a few pictures and was able to get the flap off the back. Once you pull that up, you've got a couple, let's see, well, I'll have to show it when we reconnect, but these had these hug rings. There were these guys here. There were 3 on this, 1 in the middle, and 3 on the other side. And what that did was that held in the seat flap from the front, which came in from over here. So we'll put that in on the reverse. But the important thing was I was able to reach in underneath here and feel inside. You might not be able to see it. There's this little triangle piece of metal, and that turns out is attached to this spring. So you can see what happened there. My spring broke. So what I'm going to try to do is I think I can hook this up to my bench vise and then bend a loop off and then cut the ends and kind of polish it a little bit so we can get that working again. And then there's a cable on the other side that hooks up to the motor, and it pulls the cable. The motor pulls the cable up and down along with this spring to compress and expand the lumbar support. Now, I don't know if the camera's going to be able to get in there to show you guys, but we're going to give it a shot. So let's see here. Yeah, so this back here this piece here is the lumbar support, and it compresses and bends and pushes out, as this piece here attaches to the motor and the pulley to pull everything together. Now, if I reach up here, let's see if we can see it. I think we can. I can grab, hopefully this is working, I can grab the end of the cable right here, and this is the thing that attaches to the motor right there. Okay, so I was able to get it up a little bit. I was able to get these needle nose in there after getting a little bit of separation, and just slowly, very slowly, just getting some separation here. Just using some leverage to do that, and eventually we'll get it bent up. Okay, so there we go. Not 100% pretty, but not bad. Not bad. In the ballpark. We ended up using some little vice grips on there. Okay, so now the moment of truth. We have this. It's a little bit shorter. It's probably about 4 millimeters shorter, but hopefully it will just still get the job done. Maybe it won't actuate quite as far as it used to, but that's all right. It's cheaper than buying a whole new one of these, although it may not be too expensive. Who knows? Dealer part, even if they make it. Anyway, let's try to get this back in here and see if it works. Okay, well, let's see what it looks like there. Oh, we might need some light. There we go. So that's what it looks like now. Let's see if that works. Oh, look at that. Well, doing something. That's good. Well, that looks like it's doing something. So now we will get the rest of this stuff back together. So on this side, we're going to get these flaps from the front of the material back through and pull it through to the other side, so we'll just tuck it in. So my reference snaps from earlier had shown that this ran underneath these two cables. So this is the power for the motors, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to hook 3 rings, the hog rings, to this right here, and through this piece of plastic from the front, and then one of the hog ties gets this fabric from the seat kind of in there. Same will happen on this side, and in the middle it only gets one that attaches to here. So we'll do that one last. That one I remember is the easiest. Okay, there we go. Looks like I got all that back together. 3 and 2 there. And now the hard part is getting this flappy flap back on over the thing, over the springs underneath, which I'm not really going to be able to show you, but I think I have a couple photographs that you can throw in there. Now we jump to the front and ooh, yeah, it works. Awesome. So not too bad. Just like a little bit of time, half hour maybe, and all set, repaired. So hopefully I won't break it again. There you go. Enjoy.